This is how we packed our camping essentials when tent camping with kids. First, we used totes for all of our dry and non-perishable food and small essentials. I added a large cutting board to be used when cooking or preparing food and a collapsible dishwashing and dish drying container, a small handheld vacuum for sand in the tent, and a large mesh bag full of sunscreen, bug spray, and hand soap. Then I added tissues and toilet paper, which are two essentials when traveling with kids, disinfecting wipes, and our super important campfire coffee pot. This coffee is definitely not something that you'll find at Starbucks, but something about it feels special when you're camping. I'm a huge fan of magnetic toys when traveling, and these magnetic characters are no exception. We also brought our compact towels that are perfect for carrying to the beach for the day and covering our girls if they want to rest or are getting too much sun. There's definitely no shortage of laundry when camping with kids, so I keep it all in a large laundry bag to help keep the tent organized. We always bring a compact outdoor blanket that's perfect for the campsite or beach, plus we all brought hiking sandals for a hike down to the beach or the tide pools. I packed a collapsible beach bag that we can easily rinse the sand off of, and mesh bags for my girls to collect shells and rocks that they find. We also packed our DJI drone, but unfortunately weren't able to use it this trip. We packed headlamps for our girls to wear on the campground at night and lanterns, and they had so much fun exploring with them. In the evening, after we've cooked all of our food and s'mores, we like to throw in magical flames to change the color of our fire. You also know I love packing glow sticks on trips. We packed our lighters as well as extra garbage bags and Ziploc bags. To help keep our kids' hands clean, we brought a pack of wet ones. We used old boogie wipe containers to help keep our forks and knives clean, and we brought the charger for our handheld vacuum, a grilling spatula, and baby wipes. We enjoy drinking coffee out of real coffee cups, so we wrapped them up in dish towels to keep them protected. When we're at the campground, the towels can be used to help dry the dishes. I added fire starters and a tablecloth to help keep our table protected and clean. Of course, I added our Yeti can koozies, and I packed our Wise Owl Toasty Traveler blanket. I added a dish cleaning kit with dish soap and our Scrub Daddy, extra tent poles, and extra stakes just in case, as well as an extension cord if we need to use our truck to power anything. I topped it off with a tarp for under the tent and waterproof phone cases for when we're at the beach.